I cannot express in words. Fortunately, I have been attending so many conferences in India and outside also, with the several states. I have been requesting the concerned state governments and utilities and the major organizations to involve the stakeholders at various capacities, various levels in this moment. Again, Dr. Jayaraman K. Ayarji, Mr. Ramakrishna Dasji, Mr. Harishji, all are distinguished guests and experts. First of all, my dear students, today is a very auspicious day for me. My friend Pawan, Dr. Pawan, Mr. Srikant Nagarpalli, I must be thankful to him. He was working here as Secretary Energy till 2001. Again, he left to Government of India. Now he is in a highly responsible position in the Ministry of Power, Additional Secretary. He has introduced Mr. Pawan and to take inputs for energy efficiency few years back. Sir, with the permission of Vice Chancellor Ji, I want to submit few issues before the students, because future is yours. All experts, dignitaries have explained in detail about the significance and impact of energy efficiency, energy conservation. In this context, we have to appreciate the prestigious university, one of the prestigious universities in India, with for organizing Energy Conservation Week on the eve of Swarnandhra Vision 2047. At the same time, Swarnan India at the next level also. It's a really appreciable initiative of the university, sir, because unless and until you should ensure to mobilize the youth, particularly student community, particularly technical community, students, engineering students, this movement will not be successful. That's my personal opinion. Thanks to the Government of India efforts, particularly Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has given full thrust on renewables and energy efficiency. First time in any history, a great international organization has been established in Delhi, sir, as you have mentioned. That's called International Solar Alliance, ISA, headed by previously Mr. Mathur was working there. He also served in DG for 10 years. He was a spokesperson for Government of India